Before I get into my EDC video, I just quickly want to say I've got a brand new fishing channel that I've just started. I'll post a link in the description. So if you're into the fishing, then please subscribe to that channel. I won't be doing any fishing videos on this channel, just that one. And I don't have access to my old fishing channel anymore. So please subscribe to that if you're into the fishing. And that's all I've got to say about that. Let's get on with the EDC. I'll start off with the phone. It's still the Alcatel One Touch by Pixie, which I've had for about 2 years now. Despite all the odds, it has survived for 2 years, and I only paid about £40 for this, so it's pretty good. There's been many a times where it's lagged and froze, and it has survived the temptation of being thrown against the wall or shot. So yeah, that's the phone. Pretty good. Next, the wallet. I've decided to keep the Spec Ops wallet. Really like it. It is a good wallet. So yeah, decided to keep that as a permanent. Also, the Fisher Space Pen is also in there. It has developed a crack though, somewhere there. Don't know if you can see it, it's like a hairline crack. But besides that, and the fact that when I sometimes pull it out, the whole thing comes apart instead of just the cap coming off. Like that. A little bit annoying, but I think that's because of the crack in the handle there. You can see it there. But yeah, besides that, it's a pretty good pen. I still like it. So that's still in there. Multi-tool. I have decided the Leatherman rebar is going to become a permanent part of my EDC. I really like this. It's a very good multi-tool. Very heavy duty. And I really like it. And knives. I've been pairing the Leatherman with this. This is my Case mini trapper with the carbon steel blades. Just a slip joint, nothing super fancy, but it is a very nice knife, and it is one of my favourites. With the clip point blade and the spear blade, it is a great knife. Made in the USA. Bone handles, carbon steel blades. Can't fault it. Work knife. Gone with my keyboard Doja. Zytel handles, I think. Can't remember exactly what the handles are made out of. I think the Zytel. It's a very nice basic lockback knife. Indestructible. Or so far it's proven to be indestructible. no play in the blades or anything, and I've beat the shit out of it. I think there's a little bit side to side. That's only because it's just Zytel, there's no steel liners or anything in it. It's just straight plastic handles. So it's got a bit of play there. But up and down it's got absolutely zero play. And I think it's got an OS8 blade. Not 100% sure. Made in Taiwan. But I like it. So that's the work knife. And the flashlight. Gone back to the M10 Maverick. I think it's coming up to about 3 or 4 years old. And it's perfect. Still can't floor it. Not really a scratch on it. Few marks on the ends. Still the best flashlight I've ever owned. And lastly is my bandana. And that's pretty much it for my personal carry. So I'll get onto my EDC bag now. So the bag is still my Maxpedition Monsoon, which I still hate, but it's a great bag. As far as the contents of my EDC bag goes, these are the only things that have changed. Besides that, it's all pretty much the same as the last video. So I've got a in-tempo battery pack for recharging my phone. It's proven handy. And it works, which is important. And I've got a set of vice grips, and these have replaced the Gerber M600 that I had in the last video. And recently I've been doing a lot of cycling, so I've just got a little bicycle repair kit. And I've got a cold steel Trailhawk head. And that's pretty much the contents of my EDC bag now. And besides that, like I say, nothing's changed apart from I'm no longer carrying the Gerber M600. I've replaced that with the vice grips, which are Stanley, they're chrome vanadium, and these are the 84-812. So that's it. That is my EDC video for this month. Or for this year, actually. It's for 2017. Well, for this month of this year. I'm sure I'm going to change a few things out next month. But, yeah, that's my video for... That's my EDC video. Thanks for watching.